Hey guys, welcome to Coding Simplified, and today we'll see a new problem in linked list. So our aim is to get the intersection point of two linked list. So we have the first linked list and we have the second linked list. So if you see the from 8 all elements are same. So 8, 37 and 5, and similarly here also we have 8, 37 and 5. So we have to find out this 8 because this is an intersection point after which all elements are same, right? So our answer should be 8, right? So what can be our logic? So what we'll do, we'll start, first of all we'll get the count of the both linked list. So let's say, what is the count of the first linked list? We have the 7 here, and the count of second list is 5. Now we'll traverse the first linked list of the difference. So the difference is of 2 count, right? So first of all, whatever the bigger linked list is, so we'll traverse that count number. So now we have the difference is 2. So first of all, we'll traverse the 2 nodes. So here first of all we'll traverse till here, right? So after traversing 2 nodes, we'll reach here at 34. And now we'll start both the linked list traversing one by one. And one by one check that whenever you have the same node, then return that node, and that will be your intersection point, right? So this way is very good because in this way we can obtain our aim in big of n complexity, right? So let me show you through Java code that whether it is working fine or not, or how can we do that. So first of all, I am creating two linked lists. So this is first linked list and this is second linked list. Now I am passing the get intersection point of list where I am passing the head 1 and head 2, right? So here what I am doing, first of all, I am counting the number of nodes in the first linked list and number of nodes in second linked list. So here you can see that I have taken one count 1 and one count 2. Now I am checking that while node 1 is not null, count plus plus until and node 1 equals to node of next. So this will count the number of nodes in the first linked list. Similarly, I am counting the number of nodes in the second linked list. While doing this, now I'm checking what is the difference of the counts. Now I'm checking that if difference is greater than 0, it means my first linked list is longer, right, than the second one. It means I'm traversing the head 1 equals to head 1 dot next, right? If if the count is less than 0, it means second list is bigger. Then I'm traversing the second list till the difference. Now after that, I'm checking. Now I'm traversing each element one by one until head 1 is not null and head 2 is not null. And I'm checking that if head 1 of data and head 2 data is matching, and whenever they match, that is my intersection point. And at that point, I'm returning data. Else, I'm traversing, and at each iteration, I'm traversing the head 1 to the next, and similarly head 2 to the next. And at the last, I will return -1 if there is no data which is matching, right? So by this way, we'll calculate our intersection point. So let me show you that how it is working for this problem. So here it will go, and first of all, it will initialize the variable head 1 and head 2. Now it will check the count. So here it has identified that the count is 7. Now it will check the count 2 for the second list. And now count 2 is 5. So now we'll check the difference. So the difference is of 2 nodes. So it will run by 2 nodes. Now it will check and iterate the loop until head 1 is not null and head 2 is not null. So at this position, it is saying that both values are matching and the data is 8, right? So at that point, it will return me 8, right? So here our answer is 8. So this problem will work fine for all the edge cases. So let's say you have one edge case where you don't have any data which is matching, right? So let's say we have, let me comment out this one, right? So there is no data which is matching. So it will run here it will go here. First of all, it will check the count of the first linked list. So it will give me 7. Now for the second list, so it will give me 2. Now the difference is 5. So first of all, it will run the, now after that it will check that whether data are matching or not. So no data is matching, so it will return me -1, right? And the complexity of this problem is big of n, because we are traversing the both the list once. So once we are traversing for getting the number of counts, and then again we are traversing to find out whether data is matching or not, right? So that's it guys for this video, and if you have any doubts, so please write in the comment section, and if you have liked the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.